Arizona, a land scorched by the sun, a land of rugged beauty, and a land whispered to hold countless lost mines and buried treasures. From the superstition mountains to the desolate plains, stories of gold and ghosts lure adventurers and dreamers alike. These tales, passed down through generations, speak of fortunes won and lost. They tell of ancient curses and restless spirits guarding their earthly riches. Among these legends, one stands out, casting a long shadow over Arizona's history, the story of Vulture Mine. This is a story of greed, of hardship, and of the enduring power of legend. Join me now as we journey deep into the heart of Arizona to uncover the mysteries of Vulture Mine. Our expedition takes us to the rugged Bradshaw Mountains north of Phoenix. Here, in a landscape seemingly untouched by time, lies Vulture Mine. The year was 1863. The American Civil War raged. But in the Arizona Territory, a different kind of gold rush was about to begin. Henry Wickenburg, a prospector with a keen eye, discovered a quartz outcropping laced with gold. It wasn't just any gold, it was some of the purest gold ever found. Wickenburg, realizing the magnitude of his find, staked his claim. He named it the Vulture Mine after the turkey vultures that circled overhead, drawn by the scent of death in the harsh desert. Word of Wickenburg's discovery spread like wildfire. Soon a tent city rose from the dust. The roar of mining equipment replaced the silence of the desert. Vulture City, as it came to be known, was a boomtown, a magnet for fortune seekers and outlaws alike. The mine quickly became one of the richest in Arizona. Millions of dollars worth of gold were extracted from its depths. But Vulture Mine wasn't just about riches. It was about the men and women who risked everything for a chance at a better life. For almost 70 years, Vulture Mine flourished. But like all booms, this one too would fade. By the 1940s, the easily accessible gold veins began to dwindle. The once bustling town of Vulture City slowly emptied, its wooden buildings left to bake under the desert sun. The mine changed hands several times, each new owner hoping to recapture its former glory. But fate, it seemed, had other plans. Labor disputes, fluctuating gold prices, and the echoing silence of depleted shafts finally sealed the mine's fate. In 1942, Vulture Mine closed its gates for the last time. The once proud symbol of Arizona's gold rush became a ghost town, haunted by the memories of its past. But the stories, the legends, they refused to die. Around campfires in saloons and across the vast expanse of the desert, stories about Vulture Mine began to circulate. Some were tales of daring heists and narrow escapes. Others spoke of a darker side to the mine's history. One persistent legend tells of a hanging tree. It is said that 18 men convicted of stealing gold met their end on its sturdy branches. Their spirits, unable to find peace, are said to wander the ruins of Vulture City, searching for their stolen loot. Another tale speaks of a lost gold shipment. As the story goes, a stagecoach carrying a fortune in gold bullion vanished without a trace on its way to Wickenburg. Some whisper that the stagecoach was ambushed by bandits and the gold buried somewhere in the surrounding desert. Section 5. The Lost Dutchman's Shadow, Hidden Treasures. The legend of Vulture Mine's lost gold is intertwined with another famous Arizona tale, The Lost Dutchman's Gold Mine. It is said that the Dutchman, a prospector named Jacob Waltz, stumbled upon a rich gold deposit somewhere in the Superstition Mountains. Waltz took the secret of his mine's location to his grave, but not before whispering clues to a select few. Some believe that Waltz may have found his fortune not in the Superstition Mountains, but at Vulture Mine. Could the Lost Dutchman's gold be hidden within the depths of Vulture Mine? The thought is enough to quicken the pulse of any treasure hunter. Section 6, Vulture Mine Today. Echoes of the Past. Today, Vulture Mine stands as a testament to Arizona's boom and bust mining past. The site is now a tourist attraction, offering guided tours that take visitors deep into the mine's eerie depths. Standing within the cool shadows of the mine shafts, one can almost hear the echoes of picks striking quartz, the rumble of ore carts, and the shouts of miners long gone. The ruins of Vulture City, though ravaged by time and the elements, still exude a palpable sense of history. As you walk among the crumbling buildings, you can almost imagine the saloons filled with laughter and the streets teeming with prospectors, merchants, and families seeking their fortune. Section 7, Ghostly Tales, Paranormal Activity at Vulture Mine. Vulture Mine is not just a historical site. It is also a place steeped in paranormal lore. Over the years, there have been countless reports of strange and unexplained phenomena. Visitors and tour guides alike have reported seeing shadowy figures lurking in the mine shafts, hearing disembodied voices, and feeling sudden chills. Some believe these to be the spirits of miners who lost their lives in accidents or to the violence that plagued many mining towns. Others attribute the paranormal activity to the raw energy of the earth, amplified by the gold that once flowed through the mine. One of the most haunted spots in Vulture City is said to be the old assay office. It was here that the gold was weighed and its value determined. Legend has it that the assayer, a man named Henry, was murdered for his gold. His restless spirit is said to still wander the assay office, guarding his treasure. Section 8, The Mystery of Vulture Mine's Missing Gold. While Vulture Mine produced millions of dollars worth of gold during its heyday, some believe that a vast fortune still lies hidden within its depths. They point to the abrupt closure of the mine in 1942, suggesting that there may have been a deliberate attempt to conceal the existence of a massive gold vein. Others believe that the lost gold is not in the mine itself, but hidden somewhere on the property. They scour old maps and search for clues in the legends and folklore that surround Vulture Mine. Whether the stories of lost gold are true or merely the product of overactive imaginations, they add another layer of intrigue to the already fascinating history of Vulture Mine. Section 9. Conclusion: The enduring allure of Vulture Mine. Vulture Mine is more than just a ghost town or a forgotten mine. It is a living testament to the dreams, ambitions, and tragedies of those who came seeking their fortune in the Arizona Territory. It is a place where history, legend, and the paranormal intersect, creating an atmosphere of mystery and intrigue that continues to captivate visitors to this day. As you stand among the ruins of Vulture City, gazing out over the vast expanse of the desert, It's easy to imagine the echoes of the past mingling with the whispers of the wind. The stories of Vulture Mine, like the gold that once flowed through its veins, continue to endure, reminding us of the power of legend and the enduring allure of the unknown. So the next time you find yourself drawn to the mysteries of the past, remember Vulture Mine. It's a place where the line between fact and fiction blurs, and where the thrill of discovery is always within reach.